friends, it's Danni here of Danni's Dreams, and I'm back today to share my card for day number 9 of my birthday card a day September 2023 series. So for today's card, I used this fun paper pad from My Favorite Things, Rainbow Love. I used this super cute stamp set, Presents and Pupcakes from My Favorite Things. Such a fun set. Used my favorite dies that I use on almost every card. The My Favorite Things A2 Stitched Rectangles Set 1. And then I did use this set here, which is from My Favorite Things. It's the Stitched Mini Scallop Rectangle Stacks. Say that like 10 times. Goodness gracious. And then I also used a Mojo Monday sketch that I will pop on the screen here. It is sketch number 8. And then here is my cute card for today. You can see that sketch there. And I made those banners go across the top there by masking one of them. That dog and that cat. And it says, the best birthdays are spent with best friends. So fun. I love the papers and, well, I love it all. I just thought it turned out super cute. And, oh, I just lost my train of thought. One of those nights for me. Anyways, that is my card for day 9. Everything is listed in the description box below. I'll be back tomorrow with day 10. I hope you are enjoying this series. I am having fun going through my supplies and finding like the birthday stamps and stuff. It's really been fun to kind of shop my stash, I guess you could say. Anyways, I'm in a rambling mood. I will let you be. There's my card, day 9. See you tomorrow. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty.